Okay, good morning. We left our hostel. We're going to get breakfast. I'm going to a bakery, and then Claire's going to an acai place. Okay, I got my breakfast. It's a chocolate croissant with strawberries, and this like egg custard they're known for. It's a little later in the day. We've done like nothing super exciting. We got breakfast, and I took a little picture of it, and then we have been back in the hostel. We booked all the palace stuff, and we are figuring out transportation and booking the Ubers and yeah, all the like not interesting stuff basically. But this is kind of the hostel. And then we share a bathroom. Oh, and there's little people out here. We have a little outdoor, you can see. Look at this. It's kind of marina. There's like a church in here going. But we're at this museum that has sculptures and stuff. It looks really cool. Okay, vlog update. The weather is absolutely criminal. So this is like, it's gray, it's misting on us. It's just not giving what we want it to give. Look at the carousel. It's so cute. Oh, yeah, the giraffe does it. I'm just kidding.